What actually is NGO Darpan, and why should NGOs in India care about it?
Okay, so NGO Darpan, basically, it's an online platform. NTI manages it.
Right.
Its main job is to be that interface, that connection between NGOs in India and various government departments.
An interface, okay.
Now, why it's important? Well, transparency is a big part of it. It's a real step towards making the nonprofit sector more open.
How so? Like a public database?
Yeah, kind of. It's a centralized database. Government agencies, even the public, can access verified info about NGOs there.
Okay, verified info. That sounds useful. But let's unpack that. Beyond just being listed, how does this actually help an NGO, practically speaking?
Well, that's the key point, really. Registration on Darpan is very often a first step, sometimes a requirement, for getting government grants.
Ah, so you need it to even apply sometimes.
Often, yes. Lots of government schemes think education, health, rural development. They'll ask for that Darpan ID right at the start. It's the first box you need to tick.
Okay, grants. What else? You mentioned CSR.
Yes, corporate social responsibility funds. This is becoming huge. In India, companies over a certain size have to spend on CSR.
Right, the 2% rule.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And many of these companies, they actively use the Darpan portal. They look for credible, transparent NGOs to partner with.
So it's like a matchmaking tool for funding.
In a way, yes. And we're talking serious money here. Billions of rupees every year go into CSR. Being on Darpan makes you visible to that pool.
Billions. Wow.
Right.
Okay. And the third thing, FCRA.
Right, FCRA. That's the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. If an NGO wants to receive funds from outside India,
The foreign donation.
they need FCRA registration. And having a Darpan ID often smooths out that application process. It's frequently a prerequisite.
Okay, that's a really clear picture. Grants, CSR, FCRA help.